maybe you can touch and see if he's awake. Go feel him. Go. It's okay.
It doesn't eat you.
Go see. Wow, go touch it. You're a brave boy. Look at his nails. Go touch his claws. Look, so you can see how it feels. Go see. Go see with Andrew. Wow. A day with Michael Mai. Hi. And the kids. What are you doing? You going up the rock? Come. Let's go down the trail and see what else we find. Oh, look at the volcano.
Wow. Volcano.
What does the volcano do?
Let's go see. Oh, lava.
The volcano.
What does a volcano do, Papi?
The volcano is for the dinosaurs.
Yeah, but what does it have inside?
It is like this. Like the dinosaurs, I still see the...
Come on, let's go inside and see. Go, there's other kids. Look, they're gonna all go together.
You probably do not want to go in there. Hi.
Wow.
Ah!
Nothing.
What are you doing?
It squirts. Okay, I don't know the other way. Oh, it has water. He has a pattern also. Yeah.
I want to say bye.
No, we can't go in there.
Because he's gonna make me eat me.
No, he's not gonna eat you. But he's too far.
What?
He's too far.
But how are we gonna get that dinosaur? Wow. How are we gonna get him?
We can't.
I have one.
Oh yeah, that would have been a good idea to bring it. I never work out, but today I'm working out.
That dinosaur right there.
There's no dinosaur there.
No, you see that one friend of the tree?
Oh.
A dinosaur?
Yeah.
Looks like a leaf.
No.
Should we keep going down the trail, see what else they see?
Jeffrey, come. Look, go feel his mouth. Come here.
You're eating the...
We're in the maze. Where are you, Jeffrey? How can we get out?
Ooh.
That way or this way?
That way.
No, this way. Or this way. Come. This way. We gotta see which turn is the right turn. This way or this way? Wow! Wait, you gotta take a picture. The maze. Andrew's such a good boy, trying to help him. Go, Jeffrey! I think the volcano's gonna go again.
Their feet are up. You can see it right there.
Oh yeah.
No, they can feed me. I can handle.
Andrew, wait for us.
You see him? Say hi, dinosaur.
Hi, dinosaur. What are you doing up there? How did you get that one?
Look at that one, Papi. Look at his claws.
Oh my God. So
Oh
many.
Wow.
I can see something. It's called Tyrannosaurus.
3 feet. I'm sorry, 3 foot long finger claws. Wow.
I don't think so.
You don't think that he's too far?
No.
Yeah, we can go in there. Look at this little guys over here. And the little baby inside.
Mommy,
Yeah?
he's like, get out my territory.
Get on my territory.
Yes, he's like that.
We see 1, 2.
Mom,
We see
look at
these
that
over there against the
dinosaur.
tree. Where?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Ha ha. He said.
Jeffrey and Papi. Papi. It's gonna be fun.
Oh, yeah. I heard him say it's gonna be fun.
It's fun.
One more time. And then we need to go.
Oh my God, it's just engañándonos. Let me
Yeah.
turn it off.
What happened?